Google is a company that does not stand still. It is always adding improvements or implementing changes to its services. This time, it has decided to include a new tool on its search engine, ideal for those who need a boost on chemistry. It is all about a fantastic periodic table of the elements. Starting to explore this new resource from the Google search engine is very easy. In the English version of it, you must write periodic table. At the bottom right, there is a box with this periodic table. Google's periodic table contemplates the traditional arrangement of chemical elements, ordered by their atomic number, which corresponds to the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom. However, what makes the biggest difference from that on paper is that it is capable of providing more visual information. For example, each element has a 3D representation of Bohr's atomic model. In other words, it is possible to see how each electron configuration transforms into circular orbits around the nucleus. The animation section of the periodic table allows you to zoom in or zoom out the 3D model of the element with the mouse wheel. In addition, by clicking, you can change the perspective to make an observation from any angle. But this is not all. The page also shows information related to the elements. For example, when selecting oxygen, the periodic table says, as a gas, oxygen is clear, as a liquid, it is pale blue. In the case of copper, Cu, it explains, copper was one of the first metals to be worked by man, along with gold and meteorite iron.